Welcome back to another EV3 programming episode. Today we're going to be looking at a method of turning with precision using the gyro sensor. Now what I have here is an open my block that has an input for speed and for degrees of angle. What we're using is a math block right now, and that's going to input into a turn tank. So all that's doing is multiplying by -1 whatever our speed input was. And then we drag both of those speed lines into the turn tank, so it'll turn on itself. So -25, +25, that kind of turn. Now, you can only use a positive degree angle because the degrees is going to link back into how we exit the block, or the loop. And with that, if you put a negative degree value and you're constantly turning to the right, you're never going to reach that negative value. So let's look into how this plays out. We basically created another move block with just the simple drag slide directional thing, except for now we have precision with what degree. What if I wanted to do the negative? In that case, what we need to do is tell it to flip the sign in the loop. So we can do that with a variable. Let's put this into a my block. When setting up the my block here, I need to keep in mind that in a previous trial doing the regular right hand turn that we just looked at, we were unable to turn properly after a certain speed, approximately like 75 power. So we're going to put a parameter limit on there, and we're going to go to about 85, because maybe we can get an improvement with some more programming. All we have to do now is set the default value, then change the icon, and we should be good with this parameter. Moving on to the next one, this will be the actual degrees of the turn, and since this is a numeric value, we just need to set the default, which is 90, making a right turn. We'll change the icon and finish the block. Now we'll connect everything like the program before, the only difference being that the degrees will be sent through this compare block first, and that will subsequently mark true or false and set a variable accordingly, marking true if it's less than 0 and setting that to 5, flipping the outcome of the loop. We'll wire up the speed and we should be close to good to go. The last thing we need to do is wire that degrees. We'll save the file and take a good analysis of what the program does. We'll start out with this compare block, and we'll feed into the true or false, and we'll read that variable, and that'll tell us whether or not it's less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for another great episode, and have a wonderful day.